Let's now go to visual diagnosis of acupuncture points and channels. Let's discuss the channels Yuan Shore's points. Your observation of the channels, imbalances in the channels can result in changes in the skin or muscles around the channel. Channels in the skin's coloration and skin lesions are particularly important. Observation of changes in the skin along a channel will give an indication of which channel is are out of balance and what type of balance it is. This is particularly helpful when utilizing diagnosis according to the 12 regular channels and diagnosis according to the 8 extraordinary vessels. The stagnation of qi in the channel can result in the skin above the channel becoming greenish in color. The heat in the channel can turn the skin above the channel red. Or cold in the channel can manifest with bluish skin above the channel. And dampness in the channel can be observed when there is yellow skin along the path of the channel. The purple skin or the presence of small purple veins along the path of the channel is seen with when there is blood stagnation in the channel. Pale skin along the path of the channel will be observed when there is qi deficiency and yang deficiency in the channel. There may also be skin lesions along the path of the channels. Red macules indicate the presence of heat in the channel. Green macules indicate a stagnation in the channel. Bluish macules are seen when there is pain and blood stagnation in the channel. Blood stagnation in the channel can also manifest with purple macules. Papules along the path of the channel indicate the presence of heat in the channel. Vesicles along the path of the channel indicate the presence of dampness or damp heat. Pustules along the path of the channel indicate the presence of toxic fire. For observation of one source points, changes can be observed in the skin and the flesh above and around the yuan source points when there is an imbalance in the associated organ. Typical changes around the point include the area being sunken or swollen. There can also be changes in skin color or visible veins. Thank you for your attention.